All right, here's a midstream look. It's a lot of dirt we got to move, but we're making it. I mean, it's hard to tell, but we're all right. Now, can you see it's starting to take shape? All right, I went and did the old squeeze test, and I think we're just about where we need to be for the moisture, or a couple inches anyways away. Excavator from Missouri taught me that, you know, if you squeeze it up in a ball and it holds, then you can seal a pond with it. Very low tech, but very useful. All right, welcome back. This is part number 2. So up until now, we've been basically peeling all the dry clay off, which was at least 2 feet of clay across this whole pond build. So now we're starting to finally hit some moisture, and then that's when we're going to start adding to the core trench and the entire pond dam. And we're kicking some booty, that's for sure. Oh, big rock. My back is almost to the core trench here. Up the top of the core trench so that we don't have a hard, like, flat shelf to try to connect it to with the wet clay or the moist clay. So I'm going to just loosen this all up, and then we're going to start bringing in moist dirt on top and start adding and compacting and adding and compacting. Up here just a little bit higher. Pretty sure the dam ends like right up here, but let's get this out of the way here. Alright, we'll keep jamming. so we think we found the best method. We tried about 5 different ways. Now that we're getting to some softer dirt, we're both pushing. He's pushing and he's pulling with the back blade or the box blade. And then I'm grabbing a bucket and I'm pushing at the same time. And it seems to be working. Making some progress on getting some height to the dam here. Alright, we're getting ready to wind it down for today. Big progress. I don't know how many feet we built up, but we got it on the ropes now. So they're calling for pure sunshine. So we'll be back tomorrow and try to get at least the height done and get everything dug out of here that we want out of here, just in case, because I think then Wednesday, 2 days from now, they're calling for rain, so we have to have it buttoned up by tomorrow. Got nice, good dirt now, very moist. There's a few pocket of rocks, but for the most part, we're doing pretty good. We're on kind of a stride right now, except for this little rock right here. All right, check back in. Deep, getting it up the the inside now. I'll have to start using the counterweight here pretty quick of the boom. Guess we're going to need about 2 more feet or so to the water line. But the good news is the higher we go, the edges will be done. So only the really deepest part we'll need to add. So it'll go quicker as we go here.